So, ladies and gents, we are in a winter wonderland times like a million. Came out yesterday, did filming, fresh snow, and it looked like a winter wonderland that day. But we got about 4 inches of wet, heavy snow, and this is the result. All of that. I had some work to go do this morning. I helped a buddy with some snow removal. Anyway, I'm out here at the private land after getting all that stuff done. I am gonna check traps and get out of here because, well, it's a bunch of wet, heavy snow. I'm not really trying to deal with that, so I'm gonna go make sure all my sets are clean and free, make sure they're unobstructed, and then I'm done here. So let's get to it. Ooh, they got a lot of snow. I've actually got to pick up my feet. Damn it. Doves are closed. It's a bit of a chore with this much snow on the ground. Well, this makes this nice. It's gonna be a bitch and a half coming back up though, that's for sure. So that's recent. I bet you it's that doe and that fawn. Well, old fawn. Don't know if I'd call it a fawn anymore. Yearling. Those are from yesterday. So are those. That one's from within the last few hours. A lot of these are actually. Snow in the eyeball. Okay. That one's still there. Still there and unset. I mean, it is still set, ready to go. Nothing has gone through it. It is empty, bare. So I'm hoping that the trees ate most of the snow, but the problem with that is that eventually it's gonna dump all right on my traps. And we're gonna be playing a fun game of, am I gonna get dumped on by the trees? So, I'm ready to play this game. Squirrels have been already moving through today. snow really chokes up a lot of the light too, damn. So I've clearly walked past my first trap already. Oh, and I went the wrong way. No, I didn't. Almost did. I know where I'm going, and the snow makes it all look so different. Oh, that's cold. Yes! I got a fucking coyote! Yes! First dog! Look at that. I didn't even think I was having anything. Oh, great day. Front foot right where I want it. Oh, this was a good day. Good night, buddy. Look at that. That's an owl. He just flew up on me. What a good day. Winter Wonderland, and I come home with my first dog. Oh. Now I have to go check my other 4 sets? Yes, 4 sets. Man, I didn't think that was gonna happen. Dogs had been avoiding me all year. Would not expected, but it is a lot different. It looks a lot different with all the snowfall. I know I already said that, but it is so true. So true. Oh, he was here. That one should still go off. Dumbass. Alrighty, folks. That's all we got for this one. I'm not going to remake either of those sets. It's getting late and I want to go home. And I'd rather not set sets in the dark with less than awesome roads and drive at night. I also have a taillight out, so that doesn't do me any favors. But I'm done here. Got my first coyote. Couldn't be happier. Totally dropped the ball on finishing up my outro, but that's going to do it for me on this one. Thanks for joining me all. Enjoy my little outro here. Figured I'd get some footage of the nice weather and let you guys enjoy the scenery. So watch it, don't, up to you.